Hello guys, it's Peter here and welcome to my YouTube channel. And in here on the channel, I'm going to walk you through my daily life as a transition into the Microsoft Power Platform, having completed my Microsoft Power Up program, which I have been undertaking for the past few months. And in this video, which is the first video on the channel, I'm going to be walking you through how I approached the Power Up challenge and how I got to earn a 100% score on the challenge. So future videos will be about the Power Platform and how I get to use this amazing platform to build real world business applications to solve business problems. So I hope to build a big community in here that is supportive and willing to learn about this new skill that is currently trending. And I hope you find my videos useful and so thanks for coming on board, and I'll see you all around. Thank you.